There are many chair cushion products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best chair cushions from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Locktech Kitchen Chair Cushions. Rating 4.3. These chair pads and cushions have 2 extra ties that keep the dining room chair cushions securely fastened to your chair, and you will never have to worry about your kitchen chair pads sliding around during use. Locktech chair pads for dining chairs filled with shredded memory foam. It fits your body optimally and distributes weight to relieve minor aches and pains, providing great comfort. After compression packing and long-distance transportation, the dining room chair cushions will become flat, but the memory foam cushion has a strong recovery ability. Please take patience to rubber tapping it and wait for 2 days. Then you will get 2 packs of thick and soft cushions. Number 4. Tushu Seat Cushion. Rating 4.3. Our office chair seat cushion is made of 100% pure memory foam. Soft and firm, uses your own body heat to adapt to your curves. Ergonomic U-shaped, hollow design for superior comfort. Effectively supports the coccyx, relieves the hip pressure caused by sitting for long periods. The non-slip rubber bottom keeps the butt pillow in place even when moving on the seat. The machine washable zippered breathable cover is easy to clean. Just remove the cover and toss it in the washing machine. Built-in handle for easy transport. The premium memory foam of this seat cushion quickly rebonds and returns to its original shape after each use, and can be used to add height to any seat. Number 3. Bliss Tren Seat Cushion. Rating 4.4. The Bliss Tren's donut seat cushion shape with ergonomic U-shaped incisions is used to reduce hip pressure, effectively reduce tailbone pressure, thereby reducing hemorrhoid pain, relieving the discomfort caused by sedentary. Ideal for pregnant women, post-operative rehabilitation, office workers, and other people. If you give it as a gift to family, friends, bosses, clients, or colleagues, they will all appreciate the care you took in choosing their gift. Bliss Tren's donut seat cushions can be used anywhere, can be taken anywhere, and can be used for any type of chair, such as a wheelchair, office chair, airplane, car, game grandstand, dining chair, etc. You don't have to worry about the seats making you feel uncomfortable. Just have a donut cushion to comfortably sit in various seats. Number 2. Shinwood Chair Cushions. Rating 4.5. The chair cushions for dining chairs 4-pack are constructed from high-quality materials that resist pilling, fading, and snagging. Choose from a variety of different colors and styles to match your decor perfectly. It is an ideal choice for dining, kitchen, and folding chairs with hardwood or metal surfaces. The chair pads for dining chairs have high-density foam that provide effective support and won't flatten out over time. They are perfect for those who spend long hours sitting, helping to relieve discomfort and pressure caused by a hard chair. 2 sets of 15-inch straps ensure that the chair cushions with ties stay securely in place, while a gel particle layer on the bottom provides additional traction on slippery surfaces. The backing will not damage your chair's seat surface. Number 1. Ergonomic Tailbone Chair Cushions. Rating 4.6. Conforming to ergonomics, the seat cushion helps to distribute body weight evenly and provides targeted support to different areas of the body. This helps to reduce pressure on specific areas like the spine, tailbone, hips, and thighs, promotes better blood circulation, and reduces the risk of discomfort, fatigue, and musculoskeletal issues associated with prolonged sitting. Seat cushions are suitable for a diverse range of individuals who spend long hours sitting, including office workers, commuters, wheelchair users, the elderly, pregnant women, individuals with back coccyx and sciatica pain, and athletes, while can be beneficial for individuals who are overweight or have a higher body weight. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.